I used to have a hard time answering this question. When someone asked me my favorite game, I like most action games. There are different games I like Devil May Cry, Bayonetta, God of War or Diablo, Cabal Online, Warcraft. But after Elden Ring came out, I was able to answer this question without waiting, because Elden Ring is the best game ever. Even truth, I was not very good at other Souls games. No other game gave me this feeling that Elden Ring gave me. I wanted to have figure from Elden Ring, but the official figure weren't exactly what I wanted. Even truth, the official Malenia figure was nice, I didn't like it. But when I saw the figure of the Ranni, I said, I have to do this. I have been sick for a while. My voice may sound a little different in this video, but I wanted to share with you the pride I feel for making this figure. I tried many techniques in previous figure, but I used what I learned in this figure, and frankly, this was the figure I liked the most. Since there were a lot of questions about face and eye painting, I kept that part a little long in this figure. I hope I was able to explain how I did it. Put it briefly, I paint from outside to the inside and give the less flash points. It was extremely difficult to make blue skin color, but the most difficult thing for me in this figure was the softening of the resin, because I forget butt and the skirt part figure in the alcohol. A little advice from me to you: please do not forget your printed parts in the washing tank. I thank you for the interest in my channel. I just started making figures. I thank my followers from my other channel very much, but this is very flattering to see new names. I hope you like what I do and my progress in this path. Finding background music for videos has been most difficult for me, rather than making figures or shooting videos. I have no problems with shooting videos, but I usually like to talk in my videos. I like to chat, but it's extremely difficult to find background music when making such videos. If you have any suggestions, I would really like to know about this issue. Speaking of suggestions, I'm also open to suggestions on figure. The Ranni figure was a figure I wanted extremely, but the most of suggested thing by people who know me was that I make a figure from Elden Ring. I have very nice Malenia 3D model. Maybe I will make it in the future when DLC came out. But when I first played Elden Ring, I ended the game with Ranni finale. So my first Elden Ring figure became Ranni. Speaking of figures, let me briefly mention the machines I made them. There is a video on the channel, but I use a Lego Saturn II. A Lego Saturn IV Ultra model was shared, and frankly, as a mechanical engineer, I liked that machine very much. If any official from Lego is watching this video, I would love to have Saturn IV. Which series should our next figure be from? What do you think about this figure? Please write in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and like. Now we are moving on to the close-ups shots on this figure. Thank you for all watching until to the end.